Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I want to show you how I increase my client's website from this terrible figure to this particular figure that you see here. So I have been maintaining this client's website for some time now, and it's based on a 3-month maintenance fee that I charge him. So I am looking at the overall statistics of the website for him, checking out the analytics and giving him reports on 3-month basis. So what I now discovered was that the site speed has decreased due to some technical issues that I need to fix on the site, some JavaScript codes that I need to streamline, some redundant CSS code that I need to fix, and I had already fixed some of that. And now I'm going to show you how I use Hostinger website provider to streamline the process of this website and make it so fast. Let's get on my system and show you the full process. Currently now you can see that the website is at 45%, and I want to increase the speed now. So I'm going to now enable object catching, which is this first one, right? And the second one is to enable the CDN. I'm going to enable CDN also by simply clicking on enable CDN, right? And another advice is for you to check out any plugin that is not updated. You update them, because basically the information that is showing here at the bottom that is showing vulnerable plugin is because of a plugin that is not updated. So you can see that this is enabled, and we can view the tool, and also the last one, which is the object catching, is already enabled also. So we can also check what's it called, the light speed optimization, so that we can optimize for speed using the light speed plugin, right? So let this page load completely so that we can continue with the whole process of the optimization. And then after we are done, we are going to run a speed test again to see if it crosses this 45 up to a very good percentage, right? Okay, so I'm going to click on optimize so that we can see other features that we need to optimize for, and then increase the speed of this website as fast as we can. So I just clicked on optimize now. Okay, after clicking on the optimize, it's now showing me change light speed optimization, right? So choose a set of pre-tuned options that can be used to optimize your site, your WordPress website. So you can see the recommended settings that it wants me to apply, which is this advanced settings, which is recommended, right? So there are so many things that is going to optimize, like the images, the browser cache, and we have TTL and other things that is going to optimize for, right? So now I'm going to click on this apply settings, right? So because that is what is recommended, so I'm going to apply this, right? So I'm going to click on apply again. So after this has been done, we are going to run the test again. So if it doesn't work out the way we want it, we are going to do a manual optimization, right? So you can see that this is already applied, so you can see currently applied. So I will also click on this view tool for the CDN. Click on view tool here, and also scroll down. Okay, so we are going to view that CDN tool now and see what it has to show us. Okay, so now these informations are not too necessary for now, because we are just optimizing now. So website optimization, let's go through and see the website optimization. So you can see WebP image compression, right? So if enabled, images will be automatically optimized into an efficient WebP format. So basically, due to some updates from Google, right? Google has seen that whenever an image is being saved with WebP under the WebP format, it lightens the image while maintaining its properties, like the size, sorry, not the size, actually the quality of that particular image. But now the size of the image will be compressed so that it helps you increase the speed of your website. The more the size of an image on your site, the more it reduces the performance of your website, right? So make sure that the next time that you are saving your images, save your image in form of a WebP format, right? So that it can reduce the file size and also improve the load time of your website. Okay, so let's look at the recommended sizes. You see smart image optimization. All recommendations has been made here, telling you that recommended size for image quality is 85% for desktop and 70 for mobile phones, right? So, and this is the maximum, and this is image for image quality. So I can go with the recommendations and then just click on save changes, right? So basically it's going to now optimize for all of this automatically without lifting my finger again, right? So now this is what Hostinger actually provides for you, and this is why I recommend it to anybody out there. If you are watching this, I highly recommend you to sign up for the Hostinger hosting platform. Even if you have I don't know, if you're enjoying the current hosting that you are using, you can maintain that, right? But Hostinger provides you a lot of service for a very, very low price, right? So I have a link in the description that is going to help you get 20% off of your first purchase of the Hostinger hosting platform, right? So let's just look at the traffic blocks, right? So there's no IP that we're blocking. Security is very, very okay. So even if you are under attack, right? Let's assume somebody goes to your back end of WordPress, and then you can even alert the platform, right? You alert them, letting them know that you are under an attack, and they're going to take measures to see that they protect your files and your documents, right? Especially for those of us that are running e-commerce sites, right? Protecting your customer information, like their credit card details, their emails, I don't know, just their sensitive information, like their password, is very, very important, right? Most especially their credit card details, because anything can be done using the credit card details. So you should make sure that you always put security as top notch for your website, right? Which is very, very important. Okay, so after this is done, I'm going to click on the back icon here so that I can go back and then run a test again and see. Okay, so let me go to the overview so that we can run this test together, and then you see from 45 and then see what is going to give us as the next result, right? So I'm going to click on see, even before clicking the run speed test, you can see the improvement that we've gotten for desktop device, right? And we can run it also for the mobile device. So basically you can see how efficient this can be, and this will help you boost your business, right? Because the moment your website loads fast, people will stay on your site. The bounce rate will be low, right? And then your business will flourish. Google will not frown at your website, right? So let's run a speed test. So we can run this speed test for the mobile because we've just seen the one for desktop. So formally, you can see the one that we ran for the desktop, which is on the 6th, we ran the test and it was 64. And now you can see it is now showing 98. So out of 100%, we've gotten 98, which is a very, very good one, showing green here, right? So let's run the one for mobile and see and analyze that of mobile device to make sure that it is having a very, very good percentage, right? Which is an important factor for this business, right? Okay, so we are waiting to get the results. Perfect, right? So you can see that wow, 96, right? Just a difference of 2% from the mobile and then desktop, right? So this is perfect, and you can see this result live here on this particular dashboard. So this is what Hostinger can provide for you, and I am happy that you can see this live. I just felt like I should show you this full result, right? Even before, I don't want to run it and then show you later, right? So I want us to run it together so you see it live on the server, how I optimize sites using the um, hosting provider, right? So follow me for more video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget, if you would like to learn about how to use the Hostinger AI builder to build your website if you are on a budget for your business, I'll be leaving a link in the description of a video I created of how you can use the AI builder to create a website for your business, your portfolio site, your blog. Feel free to watch that video, and I'll be seeing you in an upcoming video on any WordPress stuff, right? So guys, thank you, and I'll be seeing you in the next